Hi, my name is Sarah Huerta. I am the Senior Human Resources Generalist at Riverside Integrated Solutions, and I've been with the company for 6 years. I work in the Human Resource Department. I focus primarily on the recruiting and retention side, hiring and interviewing employees. Currently, we were awarded a new business opportunity, and we are hiring up to 30 brand new employees for that new opportunity. And it's bringing in brand new positions that we've never hired for, such as brazers. And it's given employees an opportunity to advance in their own career.
My name is Aaron Breitenfeld. I'm the Director of Marketing and Sales here at Riverside Integrated Solutions. I've been with the company for 4 years. I myself have gone into different various roles here where I'm managing some of our customers, and it's a great opportunity. We have 2 facilities, one here in Winona, one in Lewiston, and we do different functions at both these facilities. So it allows somebody to change and retain within the company and do what they like doing. Riverside Integrated Solutions is a full-service contract manufacturer where we become our customer's factory. I like working for Riverside Integrated Solutions because of the diversity and portfolio of our customers. It's unique in a sense that when one of our customers might be down in business or it's just not their peak season, another customer of ours is.
I love working here because of the people. I have worked for our owner for over 20 years now, and it's almost like a family. The culture of the company is such warm and welcoming for everyone. And over the last 2 years, we have been working on integrating our different divisions into one organization so we can help our customers from the beginning to the end of the process of a product.
My name is Naroz Khan. I'm a program manager here. I've been working for 15 years for this company. Most of the times it gives me opportunities to learn a lot of new things and also utilize my skills as where it's needed. Especially right now with the company been growing for a long time now, I think it opens up a lot of opportunities for people to learn new things and move on going through there.
At Riverside, we offer a lot of training opportunities within the company as well. Different training classes, different training programs that have allowed employees in all levels of positions to advance and learn in their skill set and then possibly move about within the company, whether that's a promotion, a lateral move, or just a new challenge for them in their career. Riverside encourages employees to be active and engaged, and ways we do that is offering health, dental, and vision insurance, life and disability insurance, a tuition reimbursement program. We also offer a healthy pay time off policy, along with paid holiday time off as well.
You can start off in one job, and you have multiple different paths and multiple different opportunities to grow into something else. Myself, I started in training and development. I moved into program management, and here I am 13 years later, now involved in sales management for the organization. The other thing I'd add from a RIS standpoint is there's a variety of different skills and different job options as well. Everything from soldering to machine operating to test operating, brazing, you name it. So there's a variety of skills and traits that you can learn here at our organization as well, which will only benefit you further into the future.
I'm Chris Weber. I do production. I've been here for a little over 6 years. It changed a lot once we moved out of the Rushford building to Winona. It seems like things have grown and, a lot more people in the facility to be around too, and the different products that we came into that we still are learning ourselves about, as we get more acclimated to Winona.
My name is John Mullen, and I'm cell coordinator here at Riverside Integrated Solutions. I like working at Riverside because it's a very employee-friendly company, I think. I think the people from management all the way down are very genuine, people that care about you. This place doesn't have a management team that's up somewhere in an office that you never get to see. They not only know my name, but they know my family's name. So they're genuine people and good people.
To apply at Riverside, you would visit our website and complete an application. From there, someone in Human Resources will call and hopefully schedule an interview. The mentorship program here within the company is every new employee is partnered with a seasoned employee where they work with for either a couple days or a couple weeks in order to be fully trained in their position. And I think that's another positive within our company because it allows employees to have a very successful onboarding process and to feel comfortable within their first few days at Riverside.
I like the people that I work with. My team leaders are great. They're very helpful. It makes it interesting so that you're not always doing the same thing. I mean, you work with different people, which is nice, so that you get to know a lot of different people and different jobs.
There are a lot of reasons why I like working at Riverside. This was my first job out of college. I started here as a temp, working in incoming inspection. The relationships that I made and the people that I met while I was here made coming to work something that I enjoyed every day. When you enjoy doing something, it makes it easier to get out of bed in the morning. I've been encouraged to use my knowledge and my experience to create new paths or to create improvements for the company. And I've been given the freedom to do so. Between the relationships that I've formed while here and the opportunities that I've been allowed to grow both personally and professionally, it's hard to conceive of working somewhere else.
On average, employees work here 15 to 20 years, and some employees have been here for 30 plus years. Apply for a position today, and you can work for a great organization. We focus on people and teams.